Hi guys, welcome to B Codewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a auto type text like this. You can see here in web page a auto type text in this web page. To make this auto type text, we'll use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here is my basic structure of my HTML file, and in this I have taken the title auto typing text. After that I have taken h1 tag. In that I have written I am, and in that I have taken a span tag with class demo. And after that in this I have taken a script tag and I have given a src file. So it is a auto typing CDN script of JS library that I have pasted here. You can copy in your code, and after that I have taken a script tag. In this script tag I have taken a variable typed and new typed equal to dot demo. I am calling the this class demo. It I have given a string that what you want to type, that what you have to write in this strings. So I have written my words that I have to type in this string, and that typed speed I have given 100, and back speed I have given 100, and loop should be true so that it will continuously auto typing the text. So after that I have taken a style tag and I have target the h1 tag. Here you can see here is the h1 tag. So for h1 tag I have taken text align center and width 100%, font size 3 rem and margin top 6 rem. So after writing that much of code, you will get a auto typing text like this. So for getting a auto type text like this, you have to write this code. So hope you guys like the video.